Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and a quick update on this radio that I just reviewed that had terrible performance on the radio. What I did is I clipped on about 10 feet of just a piece of wire, and that made a big difference. And I want to show it to you real quick. I'm on FM band.
Began to believe was a high because there's an amazing
Clear as a
feeling
bell.
when you win any part of a piece of living.
Starts really understanding more about
Sort of parents picking up
Yeah,
Christian
look at that.
Bibles, or maybe not Christian.
And maybe that's why he's so.
What a difference. Let's try shortwave. 5 megahertz. No. That just increased the noise level. Now, it shouldn't make a difference on AM because that's probably using an internal antenna. Let's see, AM.
And white people and where it's like a impersonation.
Yeah.
When he said,
Now, let's try something else. Let me disconnect that. I'll let you listen.
Need to be in trouble. They need to be.
Okay, I disconnected my little wire antenna.
For putting out that report. That's not a hole.
No, it's pretty good now. Let's go back to FM.
And then what you have to.
Now, FM wants a longer antenna. It's using that telescopic antenna, which is pretty long for portable radios, 24 inches. But adding that extra 10 feet of wire made a big, big difference. And if band conditions were better, I could probably pick up some shortwave stations using that clip-on antenna. So I don't know why this radio is so poor on FM with its telescopic antenna, but it was like night and day with the clip-on, as you heard at the beginning, and the clip-on off, as you heard in the previous video and at the end of this video. Very strange, but I wanted to give you that update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.